Let me tell you how to reserve community facilities in the Seven Meerkat app. You can book everything from the gym to screen golf with just a few taps of your finger. Step 1. Open the Seven Meerkat app. On the main screen, find and select the Community Reservation widget. When you enter the reservation screen, you will see two tabs, My Status and Reserve. Don't be confused if My Status is empty at first. It's just because you haven't made a booking yet. Go to the Reserve tab and look around the facilities your building offers. You can check out various options available inside each facility. In the app, you can reserve facilities in different ways like monthly, daily, or hourly passes, depending on the type of facility. Facilities you use every day, like the gym, can usually be reserved with a monthly pass. Select the monthly pass and click the Reserve button. The reservation will be complete and it will show you the details. If you click View All Reservations, it will take you to My Status, where you can see your bookings at a glance. You can also view the details of your reservation. You can also pick a specific date and time, like for screen golf on the weekend. Select a facility that offers daily or hourly passes. First, choose the date you want on the calendar and pick one of the available time slots. Press the Reserve button and you're done. For facilities with specific spots, like gym lockers or golf bays, you can finish the booking after selecting a seat. For facilities that your household members can use together, try booking for everyone at once by selecting your family members. Some programs with limited spots, like PT or GX classes, or prepaid facilities might need confirmation from the management office. Once you finish the reservation, it will first show as waiting for approval. You will get an approval notification on your phone once the office approves it. If you're wondering if it's approved, just pull down the My Status screen and let go. It will refresh immediately and you can check the status. You will see the waiting mark disappear and the approval completed. If you missed any notifications like approval or reservation alerts, you can check them all by tapping the bell icon at the top right of the main screen. Now you're all set! Open the Seven Meerkat app now and reserve that facility you've been looking at. Was it annoying to remember to book the gym every month? In the Seven Meerkat app, you can also subscribe to community facilities regularly. Depending on the building's policy, monthly passes can be set to subscribe. It's a feature that automatically extends your booking without you having to worry about the payment date. For products available for subscription, two buttons will appear in the final reservation step. Choose Reserve if you want to use it for just this month. Choose Subscribe plus Reserve if you want to automatically book it every month from now on. Once the subscription is complete, you will get a notification. You can check your reservation details in the My Status tab. In the Subscribing tab, you can then see only the facilities you are currently subscribing to. In the Seven Meerkat app, a few clicks are enough to cancel your reservation. However, please check a few rules for a polite community life. The Cancel button will not appear for facilities you are already using or if the reserve time has already passed even if you didn't use it. In My Status, if you click View Details and there is no Cancel button, please note that the cancellation period has passed. For reservations where the usage period hasn't started yet, you can easily cancel them in the app. For subscription products, you can set it so that it doesn't book automatically from next month through Cancel Subscription plus Reservation. However, for the current month you are already using, don't forget to check with the management office one more time. The cancellation period may vary depending on the community's policy. Please contact the management office for more details. If you want to know if your reservation went through correctly, you only need to tap 3 times. First, open the Seven Meerkat app. Select the Community Reservation widget on the main screen. The very first screen you see is the My Status tab, where you can see your current reservation status. Here, you can check the details of the community facilities you reserved. If you look at the top of the My Status tab, there is a banner that says View this month's usage. Not only can you see your monthly history at once, but you can also check the estimated amount that will be added to your next management fee bill. Once you arrive at the community facility, the Seven Meerkat app becomes your entry key. Open the Seven Meerkat app in front of the door and go to the Community Reservation widget. Just click the door icon at the top right of the My Status tab. You can check a list of facilities you can enter right now among the ones you reserved. When it's your reserve time, the Enter button will be activated. In front of the door, press this Enter button and then tap Confirm on the pop-up notification asking to confirm your entry. With a click sound, the door will open and you'll get a notification saying door opened on your phone. The Enter button automatically disappears outside of operating hours, so please be sure to check the facility's schedule. If you press the button and see a message saying Facility Visit Request Error, it means there is a temporary internet or communication problem at the facility. Don't panic and just contact the management office. One more tip. On the app's main screen, try swiping the Community Reservation widget to the right. You can open the Enter list directly. Now you're all set. Don't hesitate. Open the app right now and book the facilities you've been eyeing.